Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You came back. First of all, what I have for you is a very fun drink that I have been drinking on my spring clean quarantine little vacation that I've been having. And what is in this glass is 1 shot of Grand Marnier. This is the peach raspberry, 1 shot of Ciroc vodka, and then I topped it off with like some 7-Up, some cherry 7-Up. Girl, this shit is delicious. Anyway, the video that I have for you today is a little collaboration that I did with 4 of the girls from Instagram, Tina, Ivelisse, Trisha, and Sarah Wood. We all did some videos. I'll have all their information down below that come from the word sprinkle that was chosen by an Instagram follower. And we all took that word sprinkle and just figured out what that meant to us. And for me, you know, I'm from Seattle, so first thing that comes to mind when you say sprinkle is, you know, rain. So if you're interested in seeing how I put rain on my nails, go ahead and stick around. Let's get into it. Okay, so what I have done already is just 3 dips of Dory, and Dory is from Miss Raven. It's kind of a translucent color, like that's like 1 dip and you can kind of see through it at the bottom. But it looks like a really like cloud sky kind of color to me. So what I'm gonna do, and I just took like a little plastic bag, I'm just gonna put a little drop of the colors, the gel polish that I'm gonna use to make my clouds. And the colors I'm using are SG 138, SG 131, and 2 from Sparkle & Co. I'm just going to put a little drop of each of these colors onto my plastic bag. I really love this color, Dory. Like, I literally could just wear it by itself. But so what I have here is just a brush so I can like clean up if I get any gel polish on my fingers. You could use like latex polish around your cuticle. Like I have this one to protect your hands, but because gel doesn't dry unless it's cured and you can just wipe it off, I'm just gonna go that way. So I'm gonna take my sponge and I'm just gonna take a little bit of white on my sponge. I'm just gonna kind of like pat it off to make sure I don't have like too much, because I'd rather go like a little bit at a time. And then I'm just gonna pat it around on my finger to just kind of make like a little cloud shape. Hopefully it'll look kind of like clouds. Does that look like clouds? I don't even know. I don't usually do like artsy type stuff, so this is new for me. I've never done this before. But it's fun. It's fun to try new things. Okay, I think that's good. And then I'm going to take just a little bit of that like corally kind of color, just to kind of make it look like, I don't know, like a sunset kind of clouds. I don't want to get too much of this in there, just like a little bit. Then I might go back with the white again. Just get a little bit more. Maybe a little more blue. Let me get some more sponge. What do you guys think? I think it looks like clouds. So I'm going to do the rest of my fingers in the same way. Kind of like an ombre, right? Just do a little pink on there. I think you can do ombre this way. I think I have seen people do ombre with sponges and like regular polish or gel polish. Sorry if you guys can't see what I'm doing very much. I'm trying to stay. Ooh, I like it. Throw a little blue on there. You see, when I get too much, feel like there's too much on it, I can always like turn my sponge too. So just try and, you know, don't want too much gel polish. I like it. Do you guys like it? This is fun? Does this look like fun to you? I don't know. So I'm just trying to get all the clouds on, and then I'll go back and like wipe the gel polish off around my fingers. I think I might go back through too and do like one more layer of just white right over the top just to like add some dimension. I left it like a little bit thicker this time on the sponge just to really get in there and add that little bit of extra dimension. Okay, so before I cure this, I'm gonna go in with my little brush here and just try and get as much of the gel polish off of my hand as possible. And this is just, I had some cheapy nail art brushes I got off of Amazon. Okay, so that looks good to me. I just want to give it a little more. It's right there. Okay. The thing that's great about these kind of like abstract designs is it's like there's no like right or wrong way to do it. It's just however it kind of turns out and looks in your head, you know? It's perfectly fine. I think that looks like clouds. Okay, so I'm gonna give it 60 seconds. Oops, I touched the side there with my finger. So, I gotta fix that. Okay, I'm gonna give it a good 60-second cure in my lamp that I also got off of Amazon, so I will link that down below. Okay, and that's what it looks like now. And so I'm gonna give it a matte top coat with Revel's gel matte top coat just so that the raindrops stand out. I don't want to do too thick of a layer. I really like Revel's matte top coat, you guys. To be fair, I've only ever tried this one and then Revlon's gel polish that you can get like at Walmart or Target or whatever. I actually really like that polish too, but if I feel like the gels do work, Okay, got a call right in the middle there. Sorry. So yeah. All right, and then we're gonna give this a good 60-second cure in the lamp. All right, and look at that, you guys. It looks so much like clouds, I think. I really like it. Okay, so we're gonna give it a little swipe of alcohol on just like a cotton swab. Cotton round, anyway. Give it just one little good swipe. Just so it doesn't feel like sticky. Let that dry. Okay. Then I'm going to take my Strong as Steel No Cleanse Gel Top Coat. I'm just going to put a little drop right on this plastic bag so I can work with it. And then I'm going to take a dotting tool, and I'm taking like my smallest dotting tool that I have. And then I'm just going to take a little bit on the dotting tool, like very, very little. Not a lot. Not a lot at all. And then I want to make it so that the tail is coming from the cloud, right? So I just put a drop. Then I just pull up and it makes a little raindrop. You see that? I think it's adorable. I'll just do a couple because sprinkles. I think I'll just do 2. It's really hard to keep my hand steady. Of course I did. You just kind of want to like do the drop and then very lightly like come up and then like lift up real quick, you know? I hope that makes sense. And it doesn't have to be perfect, you know, like I've said. It's your art. Make it however you'd like. And I think I'll just do one little guy on my pinky. Yes. Okay. I'm just gonna fix that one on my thumb. I accidentally bumped him. Just wipe that off as best I can. That's the thing I love about gel polish, you guys. You can just wipe off, start over. Does not look as good as the first one, but that's okay. So I'm gonna give this a good 60-second cure. All right, and that is what it's finished, what it's looked like. That is what I call a sprinkle. So what did you guys think of that video? Was it fun? Do you like seeing me do art on my nails? Is that something that you would like to see in the future? If so, go ahead and give this video a like. And if you want to see me do something in particular, go ahead and let me know in the comment section what you would like to see. If you're not subscribed to me already, go ahead and subscribe. And in this Friday's video, I will have another first impression and review of a video, which I am very excited about. Oh my goodness, I forgot to mention, you guys, y'all, guess what? Guess what just happened? I hit 5K on Instagram. 5K people are following me on Instagram. Why? I don't know. I guess I don't know, but I am in shock. Cannot even believe it. So I'm doing a giveaway over on Instagram. Go ahead and go follow me over there if you're not following me already. If you are, great, fantastic. But I'm going to do a big giveaway over on Instagram. So if you're interested in that, go follow me over there, and I will have more details coming very soon. You know, with everything going on right now, I haven't received all the items in the mail that I'm going to put into my giveaway, so it's slowing things down a little bit, but I did see that I've hit 5K and there is something very big coming. So, like I said, if you're not following me, if you're already on Instagram, go hop over there. I've got the link down below. Hit that follow button and I will have more information soon. And that's it for me this week, you guys. Not this week, the week just started. But anyway, I'll see you Friday, you guys. Bye! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You came back. Bitch, this shit delicious. It's also dangerous, but it's not like we have anywhere to go, right? I mean, might as well. I will see you on Friday. Bye!